When people ask Sequence software, what is Sequence? The short answer we'll give them is that it is a software package specifically designed for the creation, maintenance, and deployment of manufacturing work instructions. From the creation standpoint, we want to give the authors or administrators of instructions a very quick and easy way to create those instructions. From the maintenance side, we want them to very easily be able to make changes, as well as give them robust revision control for audit trails, etc. And from a deployment perspective, we want to give them easy ways to deploy the instructions on paper or paperlessly, whatever the need may be. One of the unique things about Sequence is that it is a database-driven approach and really allows for the creation of dynamic work instructions, or a living document that can be changed and managed. We use standard Microsoft technologies, MS.NET, C#, and SQL Server technologies. Data can be shared and can originate from master files such as ERP, MRP, PLM, PDM. We can bring information in from those systems and synchronize the Sequence database with the changes that occur so that the work instructions are in line with the engineering content. Sequence is standard out of the box, but it is highly configurable to accommodate a number of applications for the variation in manufacturing methodologies that Sequence Software sees as a company. We're not creating instructions in the traditional way one might think of inside Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. All information related to the instructions is actually organized and created on a process tree that you're looking at here. Different objects on this tree have different icons that denote different things in the instructions. For example, assemblies, parts, routings, operations, work instructions, pictures. This is a screen grab of the WinSequence interface, the process tree where the administrators of instructions will actually be creating those instructions. For paper deployment, work instructions are actually reformatted automatically from this process tree to a PDF document. PDF documents are what we use for paper deployment. And if you move from left to right here, you can see the correlation between an example process tree from WinSequence and a correlated PDF document that was selected from the library of templates we have available for the administrators of instructions. For paperless or electronic deployment, simply with operator interface PCs available to the users, immediate access to only the most recently published version of the work instructions is available. This is all done through an internet browser, and you can see the correlation between the process tree for WinSequence, which is on the left, and the interface in WebSequence, which is on the right, for an individual step and picture. So for peel, label, and apply, and the specific picture that goes with that step, you can see the interface there for WebSequence. This interface is designed to look a little differently because the intention is paperless deployment, but essentially we have the process tree organizing the information and deploying the instructions on paper via a PDF document or paperlessly through an internet browser.